Most recent purchase, $300. I have fired the motor over. It does run. Prop engages just fine. Good water flow out the back. The interior is completely shot, and so is the steering cable here. So, gonna have to work on all new steering. New fuel tank, gotta drain the old fuel out, but motor's the 170 horsepower 470. Actually runs really well. I'll have a video of it up soon. I have to replace all the interior. Let me hop on in here. Not really in bad shape, but the wood is starting to rot on the back. So, gonna pull that all out and replace it too. Carpet actually cleaned up okay. I gotta clean it out again where I've been working, but it was a lot worse than this when I got started. The only thing I've had to do is replace the ignition switch. Otherwise, we'll get this boat running. I gotta replace the starter on it. It does turn over with the one that's on there now, but it turns over slow. So I'm gonna need a starter for it. Trailer's in decent shape. For $300 for the entire boat and trailer, it's not been a bad deal. Brand new tires. None of the lights work, but that's not gonna be hard to fix. The trailer itself is in pretty good shape. It's a 1980 Mark Twain. So, hope you all follow through. I'll try to keep updated on the restoration. I'm going to recover everything myself. Hope you all subscribe and join me.